Hi, today we talk about RS485. RS485 is a serious data communication interface standard. Before we talk RS485, we should know data communication model. Data communication model have two models, simplex and duplex. Simplex including half duplex and full duplex. Simplex just one-way communication only. Like this picture, one device have transmitter, one device have receiver. Signal from transmitter go to receiver, never from receiver go to transmitter. This called simplex. Its example is the sensor to indicate. That's called simplex. Okay. Other one is half duplex. Half duplex is data can flow in both directions, but in only one direction at a time. One device is talking, the other device is listening. Okay, here is one device A have transmitter and receive. Other device is B have receiver and transmitter. The signal from device A transmitter go to the device B receive. Then at the other time, the device B signal from the device B transmitter go to the device A receive. This is called half duplex. He can both direction, but only one direction at one time. This is called half duplex. Most industrial data communication is half duplex. Okay. Also we should know full duplex. Full duplex, the data can flow in both directions simultaneously. Both devices may transmit data to each other at the same time because they have separate channels. For example, when is device A have transmitter receive, device B still have receive transmit at the same time. Device A transmitter send the signal go to receive. Also, the device B transmitter send the signal go to the device A receive. This is called full duplex. Example is phone. It's full duplex. Okay, is a half duplex example just a walkie-walkie radio system is called half duplex. Just one radio just talking, other radio just listening. Then other radio is talking. This radio is listening. This is called half duplex. Half duplex is very popular in the industrial. Okay. RS485 is half duplex. Half duplex is have one twist pair cable. Okay, it could be series multiple drop. Look like this one is data. Is device A, device B, device C. All use RS485 series connection is drop. Multiple drop is B positive, go to connection B positive. The connection here, okay. This called multi-drop. RS485 still can have four duplex. It have two pair twist cable. Just here is four berry. Okay. is half duplex RS485 is have one twist cable, but just two wiring. Okay. RS485 is linked with stand node protocol. Okay, what's mean linked with stand? Linked with stand define the electric and mechanic detail that allow the equipment from different manufacturers to be connected and able to communication. So, is first we talk the mechanic detail. Okay, he have need two wiring twist cable. Okay, IS485 have two wiring twist cable. He can make multi-drop network connection. Okay, so if you will make IS485 make the network multi-drop network connection, first he need maximum distance up to 1,200 meters. That rate, baud rate, is a maximum of 10 Mbp. But on the device, the total device needs one networking maximum 32 dots. Okay, so you can have 32 transceiver on RS485 network. So here just talk the RS485 mechanic detail. So electric detail in here is RS4 signal. This is called tri-state. Okay, he have two line, A and B. Is here is input, here is output. So if input 0, A is logic 1, B is 0, output is 0. If input 1, A is 0, B is logic 1. Okay, output is 1. That's input 0 means no signal, no power, no signal from input go to the output. So it's A grade B. It's 9 A grade B in here, to transmitter and logic 1 is logic 1 in here. Okay, is 9B is higher on 9A. 9B is higher, 9A is low. It means voltage B greater than voltage A. Okay, if your transmitter to logic 0, it's 9A is high, 9B is low. So voltage A greater than voltage B. Okay. So the voltage, what's the difference? The A and B voltage. So depending on your logic 1 or 0. If logic 1 is the voltage between A and B is minus 0.5 to minus 6. If logic that means the reading multiple drop reading is negative. Okay, if your logic 0, just no signal from input to output is no signal. Okay, that's the voltage is positive. 1.5 voltage to 6 voltage. Okay, look like this. This multimeter. We check the RS485 is we issue the connection is multiple positive, red wiring go to the transmit positive, black wiring go to the transmit negative. So if your logic 1, here is logic 1 just is RS485 activities. That means Here is negative. Okay, reading. If your logic 0, just no signal come out from the input. RS485 is the positive reading. Okay, so the specification referred to the line as A and B, but there are also called A minus B positive, and or transmit positive and transmit minus. Okay, if logic 0, if logic 0 is VA minus VB is greater than 1.5 volts. If logic 1 is voltage A minus voltage B is greater than minus 1.5 voltage. That means voltage VB minus voltage A is greater than 1.5. Okay, this is very important. If you are doing troubleshooting, we use this information. Okay, transmit resistor. Actually, if your two RS485 device connection, you don't need a resistor. But if your line is have a multiple drop device, you should have need termination resistor. Just the starting device and end the device have resistor. Look like here. Okay, it's 120 ohm, 120 ohm. The transmission line is terminated at both ends of the line, not near the multi dropped point. Okay, this one, all the system is look like this: RS485 and profit bus. Always the is starting at end have termination resistor. Okay, troubleshooting. If you do some RS485, you should have know it troubleshooting, how to troubleshooting the RS485. If you do technician job, sometimes RS485 is not working, so you should check cable connection for proper and complete connection. So this should be check connection. Okay, and check polarity of the connection should be A to A, B to B. Usually the black wire is B, the white wire is A. In most systems, the red wire of the voltage is go to the positive, transmit positive. Black lead go to the B. Look like this, okay? If you do something, you show the connection like this multimeter testing. Check the voltage of our system when the system is in the idle state. Idle state is off. It's not send any data. So the idle system, RS485 system is the reading is idle is 0, is logic 0, B is logic 0, so reading is positive. Okay, is 1.5 voltage to 6 voltage. Then you check shared is connection to ground at any one point. That's very important. We should remember all the instrumentation, the shading ground just 1 point. If you're shading ground in the 2 point, that makes the grounding loop is create noisy to affect the signal. Most time we shading ground at the controller. If you find is shading ground in the transmitter, you should check. Okay. Also, we should, if you're shading ground, you should clean the ground, make sure it's clean. That's as free as possible from noise. Okay, so we check for common mode already voltage problem. The common mode voltage can be measured from each line to ground user handheld voltmeter. This voltage should not approach the maximum voltage of the drive chip. Okay, now we talk is always RS485 information, but we should know which RS4 just the physical layer. Which protocol use RS485? First, we know the Modbus, Schneider Modbus. Then Siemens the Profibus still use RS485. On unbranded DH485 is use RS485. Okay, also backnet in the BAS bus building automation system. Backnet still use RS485. Okay, so today we just simply talk the RS485. You should know electrical and mechanical detail. Okay, is maximum every drop line maximum is 32 knots. Okay, also you should know this one, logic 1, logic 0. Okay, so if you're troubleshooting, you should use the much better to testing is the voltage. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.